Right, today's job. Ground that out there. I've got to fit some helibars in for an insurance company. Helibars along here on the front for the insurance company. I'll get some action on that. Before I get the resin in. This is the resin for the helibars. Corkscrews for mixers. So we'll get some of this in. Helibar in. I'm going to put another bead of resin on the top of the helibar just to seal it in. Right, we went over a second quarter resin just to cover the helibar up. Now we'll get that pointed up. Second part it counts with metal, like bell metal. Just put that on. It's absolutely solid. Iron it in so it's pushed right in. Loads of pressure on the jelly so iron the correct one. I think this is it. I'll put a bit more in. In. Right, finished helibars in, pointed up. That's that. Tidied up for the customer. A few little bits of pinholes up there, we'll do all there. So that's that. All done.